Happy blessed moment. Today, we want to consider how to solve problems of this kind. We will be using the knowledge we have about known polygons to solve this problem. Consider this shape again, and observe that we can make it a closed shape. And by making it a closed shape, it becomes a polygon. By joining the points A and F in this manner, we have a polygon, with sufficient information, to get the value of x. We need the interior angle of this closed shape. It does not matter if it is in term of x. To get the angle at point B, we simply subtract the acute angle from it. This is because the angle at a point is 360 degrees. This implies that the reflex angle B is 360 degrees minus x. The same method applies to point E, and the reflex angle E gives 360 degrees minus 4x. Now that we have representation for all the angles in this polygon, we will be using the idea of the sum of angles in a polygon to narrow down to the value of x. Let's first identify the type of polygon this shape is. We know this by the number of sides the polygon has. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The polygon is 8-sided, say an octagon. Now, for any polygon, the sum of its interior angles is n minus 2 times 180 degrees, where n is the number of sides of the polygon. This implies that the sum of the interior angles of this shape is 8 minus 2 times 180 degrees, which gives 1080 degrees. With this, we know that the sum of the 8 angles must be equal to 180 degrees, so we take the sum as follows. Observe that there are 4 right angles there. Now we equate this sum to 1080 degrees. The resulting equation is a basic algebra. We collect like terms and isolate x. We see that x equals 40 degrees, and the problem is solved. They say all road leads to Rome. Mathematics becomes interesting when you begin to look at problems from more than one perspectives. We will be considering another method of arriving at the value of x which satisfies this diagram. Consider joining the line in this pattern. The trick is that it is easier to solve problems of this kind when it is in the form of an enclosure. Since angle on a straight line is 180 degrees, the angle here is 180 degrees minus x. For angle E, angle at a point is 360 degrees. Hence the reflex angle here is 360 degrees minus 4x. Like we did in the previous solution, we count the number of sides this polygon is having. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there are 6 sides here in total. We apply the sum formula again, to get the sum of the interior angles of this 6-sided polygon, or just say hexagon. This gives 6 minus 2 times 180 degrees, which equals 720 degrees. We now take the sum of each angles and equate it to 720 degrees. We solve the resulting equation by collecting like terms and isolating x, from which we infer that x equals 40 degrees. This is of course the answer we got in the first instance. These are not the only methods possible. We can be sure that there are some other methods. It is left as an exercise to you. Thanks for watching.